A separate application server is required, as a prerequisite to set up the VIDIZMO application, for on-premise, public, and private cloud deployment. This server will be used to install the VIDIZMO application. Let's look at setting up an application server for VIDIZMO installation. The first step is to install the latest version of .NET Framework by downloading and installing the latest available version from the .NET Framework website. The download link for .NET Framework has been stated on the screen. VIDIZMO application needs .NET Core hosting bundle on the hosting system. The bundle installs the .NET Core Runtime, .NET Core Library, and the ASP.NET Core module. Navigate to the .NET Core Hosting Bundle website, download and install the latest recommended release of .NET Core Hosting Bundle. The download link has been stated on the screen. The module allows ASP.NET Core apps to run behind IIS. You can download the hosting bundle. The link to download .NET Core Hosting Bundle is stated on the screen. Please make sure you run the application.exe as administrator. You need to download and install the latest version of Python. The link to download Python is stated on the screen. The next step is to open Command Prompt with administrative privileges and use the commands stated on the screen in Command Prompt to set up Python on VIDIZMO application server. When the web server UI role is chosen for the first time, you need to select Add roles and features from the Server Manager. The basic components and services required for IIS are automatically selected. Let's look at the steps that will assist in installing Internet Information Services (IIS) on a running server. Open Server Manager from the Start menu, click on Manage and select Add new roles and features. You will be navigated to the Add roles and features wizard. You need to make sure that the administrator account has a strong password and the network settings, such as IP addresses, are configured. You also need to make sure that the most current security updates from Windows Update are installed. Once you are done, click on Next to continue. The next screen is Installation Type. You need to select Role-Based Installation. This option will configure a single server by adding roles, role services, and features. Once you are done, click on Next to continue. From the server selection screen, you need to choose an option from a server or a virtual hard disk where you would want to install roles and features. In this video, we are selecting a server from the server pool option. Now, select your target server from the server pool. The roles and features will be installed there. Click Next to continue. Select Web Server (IIS) from the Server Roles screen. A pop-up window will appear that will ask for the confirmation of adding features required for Web Server (IIS). Click on Add Features and you need to make sure that the Include Management Tools if applicable checkbox is selected and click Next. Now, you need to move on to the Features screen where you need to select the features manually. You would need to ensure that ASP 4.6 is selected as part of your web server features. From the Web Server Role (IIS) screen, go through the information and click Next. The next screen is the Role Services screen. Some role services are selected by default. In addition to the default ones, you need to select the role services that are stated on the screen. Then, it will ask you to confirm if you wish to add all features required for ASP.NET 4.6. Click on Add Features to proceed. Now, select all role services required for installation, and click Next. From the confirmation screen, you need to review all the roles, role services, and features that you have selected using this wizard. Once you are done reviewing, click Install to begin the installation process. The installation process will take a few minutes to complete. After the installation finishes, you will see a notification below the progress bar stating, IIS has been successfully installed on your server. Click on Close to continue. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.